Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And I embarking on a journey. Because Steve Raichlen somehow in one video screwed up two dishes where he made a lamb burger but put it in a pita shell. So I'm going to make a lamb pita, and in another video I'm going to make a lamb burger. But this is the tzatziki sauce that we will be using for both of them. You want to start with a cup of whole milk Greek yogurt. Add to that about a half a cup of finely grated seedless cucumber. Then you want to add about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then you want to add a half tablespoon of olive oil. Followed by a minced garlic clove. And about a half a teaspoon of salt. And then you want about a tablespoon of chopped fresh dill. Then you want to grab a whisk and stir this around till everything is incorporated and mixed together. Make sure you spill some on your counter. And then let it hang out in the fridge for at least an hour. All right, let's get on the lamb. Now, on to the burger. I'm going to show you guys how to make perfect patties. You take a ball of ground beef, or in this case, ground lamb, a quarter pound or a third of a pound, in this case, a third of a pound. Put it between two pieces of parchment paper and two plates. And the lip on the plate that elevates it will give you a perfectly round patty every time. All you got to do is a little work of maybe folding, pushing in the edges just a little bit to make it all nice and even. All right. And then seasoning for this was Lowry's seasoning salt and, of course, freshly ground pepper. Let's go to the griddle. And as you can see, we have our patties on the griddle. Oh, I apologize. I used a burger seasoning for this. And then, yeah, about 4 to 5 minutes aside. These are third pound patties, so they do take a little bit longer to cook. All right. Thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, the burgers are done. I'm just adding 2 slices of white cheddar cheese. Then I'm going to give them a little squirt of water, put a cover on them, let the cheese melt up. All right, cheese is all nice and melty. Let's assemble the burger. Okay, got our nicely toasted bun. Good pile of shredders. And our patty. All right, then we're going to add 4 pickles. Because again, burger without pickles, probably going to be garbage. And then you want to take some of that tzatziki sauce we made. And then just put the top bun on. And that's it. So, hey, you pompous piece of shit, Raichlen. That is how you make a lamb burger. And it's now done.